Welcome to this video. Today we will walk through installing Impinj Speedway Connect Software, a licensed software program that runs on most Impinj RFID readers. If you want to learn about what Impinj Speedway Connect software is, click on the link on screen now for our video overview. Let's jump in. If you've already purchased the paid version of Speedway Connect, you should have received an email after your purchase with links about the Speedway Connect software. If you're waiting to purchase, or already have, go ahead and navigate to the URL on screen now, support.atlasrfidstore.com/article/16 installing Speedway Connect for Speedway Revolution Reader separated by dashes. That link is also available in the description below. Once you're on the article, click on the link Speedway Connect Trial Version, which should take you directly to a download link in Dropbox. Go ahead and download the software and unzip the downloaded file if necessary. After downloading, go ahead and power your reader and head over to your reader's web UI. If you do not know how to get to your reader's web UI, simply type in http:// and then the last 6 digits of your MAC address. To learn more about your reader's hostname, check out our R420 unboxing video. That link is on screen now. Once you're in the web UI, click the Browse button under Reader Upgrade, just like you would for a firmware upgrade. It's important to note that you should install the version of Speedway Connect that correlates with the version of your Impinj reader. For instance, install Speedway Connect version 2.8.0 for readers with a hardware version of 4 and below, and install Speedway Connect version 2.10.0.3 for readers with a hardware version of 5 and above. Once you click Browse, locate the Speedway Connect software you just downloaded and click Open. Then beneath that button, click the Upgrade link. Your reader should then begin uploading the Speedway Connect software to your reader, which should take a couple of minutes. After that is done, you should see a message that reads, "Waiting for manual reboot." At this point, click the Reboot link under Reader Reboot to start the reboot process. The reboot status should start a countdown and will initiate the reboot when ready. You've successfully installed the Speedway Connect software. Now let's head over to the software's web interface in order to use it. The URL for the Speedway Connect interface is almost exactly the same as the reader's standard web UI, except for one major difference. The Speedway Connect interface has an S after the HTTP. Type in the new URL, which will be https://speedway and then the last 6 digits of your reader's MAC address. Once the page opens, you'll need to type in the user ID and password, which is the exact same as the web UI. The user ID is lowercase root and the password is lowercase impinj. Thanks for watching this video all about Impinj's Speedway Connect software. To watch our video on navigating the Speedway Connect software interface, click on the link on screen now. And remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more RFID videos just like this one.